Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to talk about median. Median is a positional average. It is a simple measure of central tendency. To find the median, the observations are to be arranged in order from smallest to largest value or vice versa. If there is an odd number of observations, the median is the middle value. If there is an even number of observations, the median is the average of two middle values. Median is the middlemost item of a series when the values are arranged according to their magnitudes. It is the value that divides the items into two equal parts. Median is defined as that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts, one part comprising all the values greater and the other all values being less than the median. According to L.R. Conner, the median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts, one part comprising of all values greater and the other all values less than the median. മീഡിയൻ ഒരു പൊസിഷണൽ ആവറേജ് ആണ്. ഒരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷനിൽ ഏത് വാല്യൂ ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷൻ ഒക്യുപ്പൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്നതിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ് നമ്മൾ മീഡിയൻ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഒരു മിഡിൽ വാല്യൂവിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ മീഡിയൻ എന്ന് പറയുക. ആ മിഡിൽ വാല്യൂ നമ്മളുടെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷനെ രണ്ട് പാർട്ടായിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഒന്ന് മീഡിയനേക്കാൾ കുറഞ്ഞ വാല്യൂസും മറ്റ് മീഡിയനേക്കാൾ കൂടിയ വാല്യൂസും. Computation of median. Individual observation. In case of individual observation, the value of median is located by the application of the following formula. Median m is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th item. Steps for calculation. Arrange the observations in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Locate the middle item. If the number of observations n is odd, there will be a single value in the middle which is taken as the median. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, there shall be two middle values. The arithmetic mean of these two middle value is taken as median. Arrange the items in ascending order. That is from smallest to largest value. Here smallest value is 13, highest value is 27. Therefore we can arrange the items from 13 to 27. That is 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 27. Median M is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th item. That is M is equal to value of 11 plus 1 by 2th item. N is equal to 11, that is number of items. Here the number of observations or items is odd number. Then n plus 1 by 2th item, that is 11 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 12 divided by 2th item, that is 6th item. Locate the 6th item from the series. The 6th item is 20. Therefore, median is equal to 20. This is the mid value of the series. Arranging the items in ascending order. That is from smallest to largest value. Here smallest value is 10 and largest value is 24. Therefore we can arrange the numbers accordingly. That is 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22 and 24. Here the total number of observations, that is n, is equal to 10. That is even number. If n is even, there shall be two middle values. The arithmetic mean of these two middle values is taken as median. M is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th item. That is 10 plus 1 by 2th item is equal to 11 by 2th item, that is 5.5th item. That is, we can calculate the average of these two middle values. That is 5th item plus 6th item divided by 2. That is M is equal to 5th item 17 plus 6th item 18 divided by 2. That is 35 divided by 2 is equal to 17.5. Therefore median is equal to 17.5.